I'm not a developer or anything. I'm very much a beginner, so this is a beginner's crash course, and virtually like very little preparation was done here, Matt. So this is going to be you and me. We're going to be kind of doing our thing, rolling through it, rolling with the punches, figuring out all the challenges step by step, which is honestly a lot like how it is in real life. And we'll uh
Yep, yep.
we'll build a DApp.
Hell yeah, bro.
So
Let's
all
build an
right,
only.
so
Let's build a Web3 OnlyFans Dapp, man. That's what we need.
there you go. So okay, you totally like that's within the realm of possibility, 100%. So um would do you are you on a computer right now?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And are you able to install stuff on there?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, cool. Do
What
you
am I
already
installing, Raj?
do you already have Visual Studio Code?
You already have what?
Visual Studio Code on there?
Being that I don't even know what the hell that is, I'm 100% certain I don't.
All right, let's get that on there. That's going to be key.
All right, all right. Where do I
And
go?
are you on a Windows or a Mac?
Mac, but I got Google Chrome.
Okay. I'm not as savvy with the Macs, but it should work on a Mac.
All right. Where do I need to go?
I'm gonna send you the link right meow.
Right meow.
Right meow. Here you go. It's in the D chat area.
All right. Well, you got a PC, Raj?
Yeah, like it, well, laptop, yeah.
That's gross.
Gross. Why is that gross?
I don't know, man. It's like one of them things. When
Yeah.
I hit the download button, just hit download or
Yeah,
download
you want
Mac University.
yeah, you want to download the Mac one. Stable.
This is what it took me to.
Okay. So, did you hit the download already?
Now look,
Okay. Yeah. And did that one go through?
this is what it took me to.
Oh, okay, okay.
Oh, did not start downloading direct download link. This one? Or is
Yeah,
this a
try that out.
fucking I don't know, Raj. You got me clicking on a bunch of links, bro.
This is it looks like it's the you just like search it in Google, right?
I I did straight from your link.
Oh, yeah, yeah. No, that's perfect. That should be right then.
All right, there it goes. Yeah. It looks like there's three of them downloaded or something.
Oh, okay. It was
Like,
downloading. It was downloading. So,
this
yeah,
one
you could just
download.
open the one that worked, just one of them. So, this software is like it's just like code editor uh but there's a lot of different ones, but Visual Studio is like one of the more common ones, and you'll see a lot of people like a lot of people in tutorials will use that, so it's definitely like that's what I use, and it works pretty well. It's very like integrated into all the stuff, so it's pretty useful. And it's so once like this download gets through, you're pretty much like it kind of gives you access to a whole world. So it's pretty exciting. You should be excited.
I am, man. We've been talking, uh me and the other guy that's in the passive aggressive income, and like we've
Yeah.
been talking about like all these different um, gaps in the Web3 right now, like what's missing. Like there's a whole lot that people aren't doing yet, and like if you're able to make something simple like this,
Yeah,
I
definitely.
don't know.
And like the cool thing about the space is it's like open source, so anyone can come in and do their thing and just if something's missing, they can just fill the gaps.
Yeah, that's definitely. Oh, and if you, I don't know, you're going to get pretty well versed at this, speaking in code and whatnot. but like with open source, you can almost, I mean, you have everything you need, and you just got to tweak it a little bit to your, uh, to your standard or your liking, whatever.
Totally, totally. And I think the thing is when you say tweak a little bit, there's like it depending on what you're tweaking and how much you're tweaking, it could get very complicated very fast. And yeah, so you'll kind of see how many little nitty-gritty details there are when it comes to like building a Dapp or whatever. But also how
Oh,
everything it makes it easy too. Like so if you need to change something, everything's kind of connected in the right way, so it makes it easy to work with moving forward. How's the download going?
it's almost done.
Okay.
All right. Can you see? I'm still sharing my screen, right?
Yeah, it's on the Visual Studio Code uh window.
All right. Which one do I need to?
You could share your
Can you see
entire
this?
screen or just share the screen
Hold on.
you're on or something. That way you
All
don't
right.
have
We're
to
sharing my screen.
click each time. On the share screen thing, there's a entire screen option.
So this is what it pulled up. Which one do I go to?
Probably launcher.exe. Does that work?
Didn't do anything. I don't know.
Universal zip. Okay, wait, click on the oh yeah. What's that
So I
Visual
got
Studio
launcher.
what's that Visual Studio Code icon? What's that one? Try and click that one.
Oh shit! There it is, Ron. Ready? Ready?
Open.
Woo!
Hey, there we
All right.
go. All right, we're in, baby.
Uh,
We're in.
all right. I'm gonna do dark visual.
Beautiful, beautiful.
All right. What I need? You recommend looking at any of
Um,
these?
what is this?
This is the Mac version, bro. Uh,
Wait, scroll up. What's this even asking? Choose
the
the
look
look
that I
you
want.
want. I don't know. Just say rich support for all your languages. Maybe it'll download some of the Solidity stuff or something.
All right. What about all this? Should I just click on all of them, bro?
Lean
No.
back and learn. Lean back and learn. That sounds pretty good.
All right. Split editor.
I don't know. I don't think I use that.
Just hit click done. Start.
Cool.
All right.
So
All
actually,
right.
oh wait, yeah, so you're on a Mac, so you should be good to go. Just say should we go new file? So let's
I
actually
don't.
just let's just view the terminal. Let's get into the terminal and see what we're working with. So uh I think you can go to up there at the top there's terminal, like higher up at the very top of the like your whole screen, not just that little window. Yeah, terminal. Say new terminal. Okay, okay. So now this is called uh a CLI or command line. Um your command line. So this is where you can basically type stuff in and you're kind of telling the computer to do stuff. So there's now this is your very basics of coding and stuff like that. So let's see what we got in the folder or in the I think we're in the root directory. So the root directory is like the base, the bottom, the zero directory or something like that. So go ahead and say put in the words or the letters ls and hit enter. And ls is going to list the files that are in there or the folders and files. So cool.
Nice.
Over there, you can see you have all your folders and whatnot. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a directory called tutorial, and we're going to go in there and we're going to work in that directory. Or maybe we'll make a
All right.
directory called coding, or what do you want to call it?
Why don't we call it like, let's call it uh, Batman.
Batman?
Yeah.
That sounds sick. All right, so in order to make a directory, all we have to do is type in mkdir, and that's gonna be the code word for make directory. And then space. Now you're gonna type in the name of your directory, and the capitals are gonna matter. So whatever you cap or don't cap, it's gonna save that. Cool.
Like so.
And that's it. You just hit enter. And now if you hit LS again, or another way that I tend to just do a lot is I'll hit the up arrow and that'll just go to the previous commands you put in. So if you hit the up arrow once, it says mkdir again. If you hit it again, it'll do ls. Cool. So let's hit enter. And then, yep, there it is, Batman below applications.
Nice.
So how do we get into that folder? We can't click on it because we're in a command line. So the way to go in and out and kind of move around directories is the cd command, which is check. I guess it's check directory. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cd into Batman. So cd space capital B Batman.
Enter.
Enter. Cool. Now we're in the Batman folder. So if you hit ls again, nothing's
Enter.
enter,
Yeah.
nothing's gonna pop up, and that's because there's nothing in that folder yet. So
All right.
now we're gonna do something a little fancy. We're gonna go to uh, file. Go to file at the top left, kind of where the terminal thing was. Next thing we're gonna do is we're going to open up the Thirdweb documentation. So let me text you that link and then we can kind of get a split screen set up with that and, and get it going. So let's see
Mm-hmm.
here. So we're going to take that for the installation. We're going to copy that code and you can actually just click that
Right here.
copy button. Or click that and then we're going to go into the terminal, paste that shit and enter.
That's it.
Some key bindings.
Says not found. Command not found. Did I
Okay,
do
no
something
worries.
wrong?
That just means we have to install npm. So, like I said, this is going to be a little bit of a we're going to getting the
I
setup
got you.
going is truly the most painful part. Then once it gets to the actual coding, it gets a little more fun.
All right. What do I need to do?
Mm, that. So I'm gonna look right here. Oh, do you know what you can do? So go into Visual Studio Code and then go to that the button on the side, the left side with the squares, the three squares and then the one square is like detached a little. Now take some of this action.
Man not found. Hold on, I wonder if I'm doing something wrong.
Oh, we need Node.js.
I need what? Right.
npm-v. What is the command to install npm or Node.js? Okay, okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. So, okay, so it's a little bit of a process. So we're gonna install NVM, which is a node version manager. And then once we do that, I think it ins installs npm. Let's see how it goes. So let's do it with let's see whichever one works. So let's try it with curl first. So I'm gonna send you the command. Try putting that into um, your editor. Yeah, okay.
Put it at in where?
Yeah, yeah,
In
just
here?
put it in the terminal, paste it in, and it should get that package and install it.
Like this? There it is. Install.
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit, Raj. There's a lot of
Oh
shit I'm not
yeah,
reading.
whole license agreement. Wow. That's up to you. I don't know what your battery situation is like. Oh,
I'm
you're
gonna
looking
hook up
okay.
a power. I
Okay.
got a lot of battery.
79 hours.
Hold on, Raj. It ain't gonna be that long. All right, hold on.
Try the nvm install node command. You could copy and paste it. Or press up a few times in the window. You have to click on the window though. So it's selected. Yeah. Up. Yeah, try that
That
again.
one?
Yeah. Hmm.
Here.
A few moments later.
All right, paste it in here.
Yeah.
Enter.
Yep.
All right, press return. What do you want me to do?
Hmm. Yeah, return. Send it.
Just download a bunch of shit.
Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Now we're getting somewhere. This is what we wanted. Once that is done, should be able to do that again. And then we go back to installing Node again. Hmm. So just once it's done, we can do those commands one by one in that order.
Oh, this is some intense shit, dude.
So what it's doing is installing a bunch of libraries, and these libraries is what allows the computer to kind of talk to you. So you're putting in some commands, and it's kind of going through a bunch of libraries to figure out what you're trying to say and what you're trying to tell it exactly. So in a way, you're kind of downloading the matrix for the machine to talk to you. The machine's
Crazy.
getting an upload. It's gonna learn how to do kung fu.
It's gonna be there it is. Just a bunch of shit.
Bunch of shit.
All right, I think it stopped.
I think it's.
Nope, still doing something.
Okay, now we're done.
All right,
Now
Matt's
we're done.
program.
Oh, here we
All
go.
right,
Run these two commands in your terminal to add homebrew to your path. So, um, okay, you see that command in parentheses, the echo command? You're gonna want to copy and paste that one.
echo.
Or actually, I think copy and paste that whole thing from echo to shell env to the quotes. So get the quotes in there too. Yeah, copy all that and paste it and enter.
Enter.
Enter. Uh-huh. All right, I think that worked. So now let's try the brew install open JDK.
Brew and stuff. All right.
And the nice thing about installing these things is that if it's already installed and stuff, it doesn't like install more. It just like, it knows it's installed already. I don't think you copied it properly.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. That's the stuff. You're a coder,
Well,
Matt. Look at you. Making the
oh,
machine do its thing. This is the
what's it
blind
doing
teaching the
now?
blind right here.
I had a few buddies
Yeah.
that used to look at me like I was their role model. I always used to say it was like the blind leading the blind, deaf, and mute.
Right? Oh man.
Yeah.
All right, we're getting it. We're
So this is what
getting
you were
it.
looking. This is what you were looking for to do earlier.
Yes, yes. Just getting all the packages and all this crap we need to have things run smoothly.
How
So,
do I get this Visual Studio Code? Is this an app?
yeah, yeah, it's a app program. I don't know if it's like on your phone per se. Um, there's some other
Well, I'm
stuff you
wondering
could
how I
get.
can get it. It
Huh?
doesn't show up in my. Doesn't show up in here,
Oh, in
like in my
applications.
applications.
Oh, VS. Just do VS. No? Try visual. Oh no. Okay. Huh.
But
That's
it's right
interesting.
here.
Yeah. And I remember when
When
we
I go to
reinstalled it,
downloads,
we didn't really do much. We kind of just downloaded it and then we're like, oh, look, it's there.
yeah, it's
Interesting.
right here. Oh, watch. Yeah, I put it right there. Bam. There we go. On the desktop.
Oh, you're good? You got it on where you want it or?
Yeah, I just copied it. I just copied it to the desktop.
Oh, okay, gotcha, gotcha.
Sorry.
Oh, here we go. I think it's almost done. Yeah, no, we're done. Okay, so let's brew install NVM now. All right, here we go. All right, now we're getting real fucking close, man.
Looks like it did that.
Did it already? Okay, cool. Now let's do it was probably already in there. Now let's do nvm install node.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Can you copy and paste the brew clean scroll up a little bit. Yeah, copy all of that or yeah, even a little higher. Yeah, copy all of that. Copy all of that and send it to me. Yeah,
all
that'll
of that.
work. Yep, all of, from where your arrow is down. That should be good.
All of this.
Uh-huh, all the way down.
This is crazy. Man.
Right?
You know how dope coders had to be before this?
Dude. Hmm. 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 All right, the issue you're encountering is because NVM hasn't been properly sourced in your shell. Instructions provided after brew install NVM command tell you exactly what to do, what you need to do to set up NVM correctly. All right, so I'm gonna copy and paste some code over. Boom, there's one. We're gonna make a directory called nevermind in the root.
All right, so copy and put that in here now.
Yes, sir.
All right,
Okay.
file
Oh,
exists. It
it's
says.
already
Go ahead.
there. Okay, so that's fine. And now we're gonna add the necessary configuration. So take all that and copy it in and paste it. Perfect. Good. All right. I think that
Yeah.
worked. Let's do the source thing again. So yeah, it's really just we got to set these commands up so it knows like what the commands mean. And so we got to set up the paths so that it knows like what we're telling it to do when we tell it to do shit.
All right.
Okay, perfect. Now NVM should work. Let's try it again. NVM install
Come
node.
on.
Come on, baby.
Come on. Big money.
We
Big
gotta get
money.
that Node.js. Come on. There, I think it's doing it. I think it's working. Yes.
Ah! It's
All
working.
right. All right. Oh my God. My God.
I hope you
Check some.
recorded this.
Check some. I'm record. Oh, I am I right now? We're recording. We're live. We're live right now. Not
All right.
streaming, but
Just so you.
I knew it was gonna be
No,
kind
just
of
so.
weird to stream. That
Yeah, no,
would be
just so you can
crazy.
go back and
Edit
you know.
and yeah,
You gotta.
totally.
Yeah. Well, if you got to go back and recheck any of this, like how to do it again, you got to.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, 100%. That's right. Okay, so
All right, we got
awesome,
it in.
man. We got it in. We got it in. So now let's try this. Third web, baby. I think we're all set up.
All right, control. There you go, like that.
Yep. Yep.
NPN.
Come on. Yes. All right, all right. We're on our way. We are on our
It's doing
way. Yeah, it'll
is
take
it
some
doing
time
its
to,
thing?
yeah, it'll take some time to do its thing on this one. Not too long, but it'll take a little bit of time. It's getting it all the third web
Wow, like
libraries now.
wow, setting it up really was pain in the ass,
Yeah.
man. Oh man.
This is how, like, and I mean, I remember every time I try and start a project, it's always this. It's always this. It's always like, I can't figure it out, there's not found, not found. Get the paths right. Oh, every time. But yeah,
Dude,
this is good. So
before
everyone
any of the,
watching, yeah,
yeah. But before they had any of this, people that used to just manually do all this. Think about how wow.
I couldn't even imagine, man. It's like, we really are standing on the shoulders of giants because all the work it took to get to where we are right now. I mean, I can't even think about it. It's too much.
Yeah. Yeah, we wouldn't I there's no way I would have had the patience like to have been typing this and oh, this will give me a thing how to make a Dapp on Solana and everything, huh?
Yeah, yeah, you can make something on Solana.
Feel like we there it is.
All right. Oh, what's this new patch? All right, let's not worry about all this stuff right now. Let's I think we have all the third web stuff in now, so let's create that app with one line of code. npx third web create app. And then it'll ask you some questions, I believe. So yes, we do want to install that package. Just hit
Okay, or
press Y and then enter. Perfect. All right, all right, all right. So now it should be creating a
oh
bunch of
wow.
folders and stuff. Um, okay, so now
What is my
let's
project name?
yeah, make up a name for whatever we're gonna test out right now. Call it
Should I
Batman
delete what it
test.
says right there or just type
I'm not
what?
sure. If you type it may just make a thing, or I'm not sure if you have to delete it. You may have to
Oh,
delete
there
it.
it is. There it is. No,
Cool.
it'll do it. Let me call it let's call this test.
Cool.
All right.
Yeah, that sounds good to me. All right,
EVM,
and
Solana.
yeah, we'll just go with EVM because that's what I know. You haven't worked with Solana yet, but it's,
All right.
Solana's
What do I
right
do?
there, so
Return EVM.
yes, sir. And let's do it in the Create React app. And we'll go with JavaScript just because it's easier to start with. And the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript is that TypeScript is like more protected in the way when you code things, like you have to define certain variables and how you have to clearly state what sort of data things are. So that way data doesn't get mixed up. So it's a little harder to work with at first, but it's more protected when you use it over like, a long development cycle or something like that. But JavaScript's nice because it's easy to just like get shit going and just like, put something out there, see if it works and just be kind of down and dirty with it. So it seems like it's installing more stuff. I wonder how much space all this stuff took in your computer. Hopefully not too much.
Um, I don't know.
It's still going, right? It didn't freeze on us, did it?
No,
Okay,
no, it's still going.
cool, cool. All right, man. Yeah, we're one line of code away from opening a browser and connecting your wallet to it, so we're almost there.
Really.
Yeah,
Well, if we do this, if it works right,
yeah.
I'm gonna have to like pop in this class. I'm gonna have to pop in this class a few times, man.
Yeah, dude, I think so. Yeah, it's pretty like all the I wanted to do it as fast as possible, but no matter how you look at it,
Well,
there's a lot, huh?
you gotta take these as learning lessons or lessons learned, whatever we call it. And
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
no, I guess like the Mac is gonna be a little more. You know, you
Yeah,
gotta
yeah.
probably ask people what type of computer they're using,
There's a different
and then
process. You
if you
gotta
have
get a
like,
Mac and a Windows
yeah,
process. So annoying. That's
yeah.
how it is with like all the software that's out there though. Everyone has to make a Mac and a Windows version. I guess now it's Android and uh Apple version or whatever now. Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there.
Oh, this is crazy, man. I can't believe somebody made this up, typed it, and all right,
Okay,
what's next?
success. Created test. Inside that directory, you can run several commands. So, okay, so let's go into that directory. Let's go cd test. You could copy paste that or just type it yourself.
Space test,
Yes, sir.
like that.
Uh-huh. Awesome. So now we're in the directory. And actually, if you go on the left side on where it says Batman, the Explorer area, if you click on the down arrow by Batman, or just, yeah. Oh, where's all the files? Oh, I don't think it showed up in Batman. It's going to be in test. Okay, let's go to file at the top. File, open folder.
Uh-oh.
I think it's going to be by your like your main like desktop or something. Go to desktop or MacBook Pro. Max MacBook. Yeah. Yeah, that yeah. And then yeah, test no, where the fuck's test?
Damn,
Oh, staking 219, staking 219. Users and
that's
users.
right.
And then test. Let's open up the test folder. Say open. Can you open
All right, it's
that?
open. Right here. It's open.
No, no, oh, did that work? Yeah, it worked. Okay, cool.
All right.
Awesome. Okay, so
Oh,
now if you
here it
open up
all is.
that, yes. So now if you open up the SRC, click that down arrow by source, SRC. And that's going to be and this is going to be the main area for your app. So you have your index.js and your app.js, and those are your main. That's where all the coding goes on. So I'm mainly coding in app.js, and yeah, that's where most of the stuff. And then the other small things will go into some other parts of the code. But so go ahead and click on app.js so we can just take a look. Sexy. So
Yeah.
um Yeah, right? So that's that code. So let's get comfortable with that. So let's open up the terminal again. So terminal, new terminal at the top. Yeah. Okay. And we're in test. So now let's do npm start. And that will open up a browser. There we go. Opens up your local host. Come on, baby. I just want to see it. I just want to see it.
Yeah,
Don't
yeah.
tease me like this.
What's going
What's
on?
going
Come on.
on? Come on.
There it
Oh
is. Oh,
no. Got some errors.
compile. Compile
Shit.
with a
What's
bunch of
going on?
problems.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, the hell?
What the fuck happened here?
Okay. Just copy one of those errors and send it over to me from the error
Like
line.
this?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, perfect. All the way down. Copy the whole white part too. Yeah, that'll do.
Oh, damn.
Damn, so close, yet so far. Got an error though. So now I'm just gonna put this into ChatGPT and be like, help me, ChatGPT, help me. So, I mean, it's good to kind of get an understanding for yourself, of course. So, module not found. So, something micro fetch. I don't know what that is. So, some module wasn't found. I don't know. A module wasn't found. Maybe we have to install something else.
Damn.
Webpack 5 no longer automatically includes polyfills in Node.js, unlike previous versions. Microfed. If you don't need that particular functionality, you can tell Webpack to use an empty module to satisfy it. Okay, webpack config.js. So we're gonna go to the the frick is it?
3 days later.
Try this. All that shit I just sent you, try pasting that instead of what you just pasted in there. So delete the thing you just pasted, put all that stuff I just sent you in. Should be more than that. Or what?
What I miss? Oh, damn it.
Yes. Try that one that I just sent. Yeah.
All of this.
Yes. Yeah, get it all. That's fine. Uh-huh. Don't forget that last bracket. Yep,
Put it in.
perfect. Cool, copy
Put it
that,
in
and
here.
then select all, and then just paste it in the entire thing. No, 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 no. Undo, Control Z, do Control Z again, and then Control A, and then Control V.
Uh-huh.
There we go.
All right.
Save that,
Save.
npm start again, yeah. Come on! Come on! Oh my gosh. This is so frustrating. Oh, I think we did it. I
Uh-oh.
think we did it. Yes!
Uh-oh.
Yes! Oh my God. Okay. And yeah, if you connect your wallet, it should just work. There you go. Congratulations, you've just deployed your first Dapp.
I don't know what the fuck I did, but
You basically used
wow.
other
I
people's
can
tools
see.
to get it going. Yeah, switch to
What? What?
Ethereum.
No. Oh,
I think we set it up
Ethereum.
for Ethereum, or that's the default. Where's Ethereum? Oh, it's okay. That should do it.
I gotta log in still.
Oh yeah. Give it a refresh maybe. Oh man, that was crazy, Matt. That was crazy. We did it though.
Fucking.
Yes, and you're connected.
I got a
You
dab,
connected your
dude.
wallet to your DApp. And those are just links that'll take you places. So now if you want to like mess around a little bit, one thing we can try and do is just kind of mess around with just, the basic stuff on the front end. So if you want to change the title or any of the words, I could show you how to do that. Did you want to try and change anything on the front end?
How do you do that, man?
This is Thirdweb's website, but let's go back to the thing we deployed. It's on the other tab though. Yeah, that one.
Oh, here?
No, no, we were there. We had to
Right,
click on the tab. Yeah, there it is.
right here.
That's the one. So, yeah, you want to change something on there? What would you like to change? Could be something small like a color or just some
I don't know
text.
name.
Huh? We could say welcome to something else.
Uh, let's say welcome to the Batcave.
All right, that sounds good. So let's go into app.js. Awesome. And then let's see here. Okay, right there we can see over there H1 class name. H1 is like the heading one. Class name is the title. That tells it like kind of how to make it look, how to format the words. And it says welcome to, then span class
Uh-huh.
name, gradient text. Uh, so href is going to be the link that text is going to connect to. Scroll down a little bit. Target blank. So see where it says Thirdweb? Oh, little higher. Little scroll up a little. Yeah, Thirdweb. So right there, that's where you say
What's the
Batcave,
Batcave?
huh?
That
Awesome.
work?
And just save it. File save.
Ah!
Yeah, there you
Welcome to the
go.
Batcave.
There you go. All right, so now let's change the color of that. So instead of pink, we'll make it like brown or something. I don't know. So go to styles and then go to home.css. So now we're moving into a different language. This is CSS. It's almost not a language, it's a style formatting thing. I don't know, whatever. So under gradient text 0, we're going to change that color. So let's make it into a more batty color. So click on the color box. It's a gradient, so we're going to go from one color to another. So the top color is the left color and the right color is the bottom color. So yeah, go ahead and pick a new color. You could click the color you want, or yeah. And you could change different purples. So see how the bar on the right side? Oops, whoops. Yeah, the color thing, if you move that up and down, that'll change. You can change the color to different hues or whatever. So yeah, get it nice batty colors, whatever you think will work. So that's going to be the top gradient. That's going to be
I'm just playing with it,
the
obviously.
bottom.
We'll see.
Yeah, yeah, we're just
What's up?
messing around.
See what it does.
Cool, let's see what that looks like. Save
File
that.
save.
Yeah.
Oh wow,
Oh
that's pretty cool,
yeah,
dude.
there you go. And so yeah, that's pretty much the whole that was yeah, I'm that this is the ending zone. This is the finish line. We made it. We made it to the front end. You can kind of adjust things. Oh, and actually we didn't make it quite yet. Let me show you a little bit about how to actually use. So when you have a smart contract, you're going to want to connect this front end to the smart contract, right?
Mhm.
So just to give you an idea, we're not going to do anything. It's probably going to take too long anyway. But go to Thirdweb, yeah, any of their websites, templates, that's fine, I think. Just click on one of their links. Yeah, perfect. So now let's go to well, what we wanted to do is actually go to the dashboard. So let's go to, just click on Thirdweb to go to their homepage on the left corner, top left corner. Okay, and go to get started. Okay, cool. Accept and sign. Okay, so now uh, go up and go to contracts. And let's go to import. So yeah, perfect. And let's go to Polygon mainnet, select Polygon mainnet, and I'm gonna give you one of my contracts and look at it. Here, 1 second, and give you the address right now. Come on, come on. Okay. There's the address. This is to my course contract.
Import.
Import. Uh-huh. Okay. Oh yeah, you're in. You're in. So now you can go code snippets. And if you scroll down, oh, okay. So yeah, and this has all the different code you need to put it on your front end. So if you click on the React thing, not
Is
React
what?
Native, but yeah, just React. So that is what you're going to use different contract functions. It is kind of a lot of code, but and you don't use all of it for each function each time. Sometimes like the top half of the code is the same for every function, so you just have to put that once. But yeah, that's basically the code you use.
Wow.
And then yeah, so you have like functions, and React has this thing called states and effects. So that kind of keeps everything, like that's what React uses to keep track of like all the variables and all the stuff. So uh, when you make your code and stuff, like the reason it's React gives you all this code is because it's trying to manage everything as effectively as possible so it can be quick, if that makes sense.
Mm. Yeah.
But yeah, that's
This was it was
that
pretty
was the
cool,
crash
man. It was
course.
hell yeah, Raj.
Cool, man. Well,
Right.
thanks. I'm proud of you, man. You really you stuck in there. You like and you yeah, man, you did it.
Oh man, you did it. You just kept doing it, man. I was like, oh damn, that's good, bro.
We did it. Yeah, no, I'm glad we didn't
All
give up.
right. Yeah, we figured out the whole Mac dilemma.
Yeah, man. Whew.
Well, all right, Raj. Well, we'll link up, man.
Sounds good, man. Yeah. We'll if you're available, pop by. I'll be working with Butthead tomorrow, and hopefully it'll be a little smoother. And if not, we'll keep working on figuring out the community DAO and Harmonaut stuff.
All right, bro.
All right, man. Good night,
All right, I'll talk
Matthew.
to you,
Take it
Raj,
easy.
later on, bro.
Peace,
You
man.
too, man.